Hey, what is up? My name is Rubidium. Welcome to Crimson Engine Rural Vermont Edition. Doing my best to sort of cobble together some kind of shooting setup with my Canon M50, Light and Motion Stella 2000. I've got the Luxley cello here in the back. I'm shooting in a studio and I don't have any big lights, so what I've done is bounce the spotlight, the Stella 2000, off a piece of whiteboard C-clamped to an old mirror, and that's giving me my large fill. And then I have the Luxley cello here in the back giving a 3/4 fill. I've got the light on in the background to sort of warm it up a little and give it some exposure, and then we have our daylight from outside, so it goes daylight in the subject, tungsten in the background, daylight in the far background, and hopefully this looks okay. It is a very cobbled together setup here. I do have a tripod which I found in the closet, but I just wanted to actually look at what improvised or sort of non-studio lighting and blogging setups can look like, and how you can make the most of what you have. Actually, a lifesaver, the M50, is it's got its little flip around vlogging screen. I've got it set to ISO 640 f5, which is as fast as this lens goes. It's the kit 15 to 45 that came with the camera, and it's just on autofocus shooting in 1080p.